In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboard filters in Metabase. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a filter, choose the right type, and connect it to the charts on your dashboard so your viewers can slice the data the way they need. Start by opening your browser and searching for Metabase. Click the official result to open the site, then click Login to sign into your workspace. Once you're in, head to your collections and locate the dashboard you want to work with. Open that dashboard so you can see all of its charts. To make changes, look to the top right corner and click the pencil icon to enter edit mode. While in edit mode, find the funnel-shaped filter icon in the top right menu and click it. This is where you'll add a new dashboard filter and choose what kind of data it should control. Select the category that matches the data you want to filter. Time is the right choice for date fields. Think options like last 30 days or a specific month. Location is designed for geographic fields such as city, state, or zip code. ID is best for exact matches on identifiers like an order ID or a user ID. And other categories works for general text-based fields such as product category or status. Picking the right category ensures Metabase presents sensible input options to your viewers and matches the data type behind the scenes. After you've created the filter, you need to tell Metabase which column each card should use when the filter changes. For every card on the dashboard, click the drop-down on that card to add the filter to it. Select the filter you just created, then, under Column to filter on, open the drop-down and choose the column that corresponds to your filter. For example, if your filter is time, pick the date column used in that chart. If it's a location filter, choose the city, state, or zip field used in that card. Repeat this mapping for each card you want controlled by the filter. If a card doesn't show a compatible column, it typically means the field type in that chart doesn't match the filter category. When you're done configuring the cards, click Done in the filter settings. Finally, click the blue Save button at the top right of the dashboard to apply your changes. Your dashboard now has a working filter that keeps all connected charts in sync, making it easier for everyone to explore the data with confidence.